Hello, beautiful people. Kem cho, namaste, and a big welcome to my channel. So, my name is Shweta, and I'm so excited to have you all here. A little bit about me. So, I live in the UK. Originally, I'm from Gujarat, India. So, hi to my Guju gang. Assemble here in the comments. So, long story short, I came here as a student last year to finish my master's. I've done master's in data science from Manchester Metropolitan University, and now I am on graduate visa, also known as PSW. So, being in the UK for more than a year now, I have got so many experiences, I faced so many challenges. So, I thought to start this channel to share all my experiences and how I spend my days, how is life in the UK, and everything. So on this channel you can expect a variety of content. I'll be sharing my daily vlogs where you get to see how I spend my day, where I work, what do I do when I'm at home, lifestyle tips, a home organization, cooking, everything that I love to do when I'm free, and also what do I do when I'm at work, and what do I do when I'm feeling alone. Everything you can expect in my channel. So I'll also be sharing how is life in the UK. I mainly live in Manchester, so I'll show you around Manchester as well. How is Manchester? How is the weather here? You must have heard it's not really good though. Still, it's summer though. It's coming summer, so you may expect a good weather. And also for my beauty enthusiast, I have some beauty content, skincare routine, hair care routine, what products I use here, what is available here in the UK, and much more about that. Also, I love to cook, so you'll see making me variety of Gujarati dishes, North Indian dishes. I try every kind of dish. It's my first video ever, so to get more of these, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share with all your Guju gang especially, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.